Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini. 3 signs that I like to refer to as soulmates. Represented by swords in tarot. Yeah, I know, but let me tell you why. Air is the element of intellect, communication, perception, and ideas. This is the realm of the mind, how we think, speak, learn, and understand the world around us. And air is invisible, but it is everywhere. It connects everything. Air signs move through life through thought. They're here to understand reality and then reshape it through perspective. Now, even though they share the same element, each air sign is going to express that energy in a slightly different way because they belong to different modalities, as they're known in astrology. Libra, which is represented by justice, is cardinal air. And cardinal signs initiate energy. Libra is the one who begins connection through thought. This is a sign that seeks balance, harmony, and truth between 2 sides of a coin. Libra expresses air through relationships, diplomacy, and the ability to see multiple perspectives at the same time. Aquarius, which is represented by the star, is fixed air, and fixed signs sustain energy. Aquarius is a visionary mind, steady, future-focused, and often ahead of its time. Aquarius expresses air through innovation, individuality, and collective awareness. They don't just think about the present. They think about humanity as a whole. And Gemini, who's represented by the Lovers, is mutable. Mutable signs spread and evolve energy. Gemini is the flowing current of information, curious, adaptable, and constantly learning. Gemini expresses air through communication, storytelling, and the exchange of ideas. They're messengers. They're ones who gather information and distribute it. These 3 form what astrology calls a trine. And a trine happens when 2 signs are about 120 degrees apart in the zodiac and they share the same element. And in astrology, trines are considered the most harmonious and natural aspects because the energy flows very easily between them. And that's why Libra, Aquarius, and Gemini often feel an immediate sense of understanding when they meet. They share the same intellectual curiosities, the same need for connection through conversation, and the same ability to see patterns and perspectives that others might miss. In friendship, partnership, or even family dynamics, air sign trines can feel mentally stimulating and effortlessly aligned. Now, that isn't because their connection is always easy, but they can inspire each other, challenge each other, and expand each other's thinking. Let me know in the comments if you agree, and if you want to know more about the connection between the tarot deck, the zodiac, and the elements and the signs.